Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Virtualvocations.com is a website dedicated to helping job seekers find remote work opportunities. It's essentially a curated job board that focuses solely on telecommuting, remote, work from home, and online job listings. This specialization makes it a valuable resource for anyone looking to escape the traditional office environment and embrace the flexibility of working from anywhere. Virtual Vocations meticulously combs through numerous job boards, company websites, and other sources to aggregate a comprehensive list of remote positions. They weed out scams and outdated listings, saving users a significant amount of time and effort. This pre-vetting process is a key selling point, providing peace of mind in a job market often rife with misleading or fraudulent postings. The platform offers a variety of search filters, enabling users to refine their job search based on keywords, job categories, location preferences. Even though it's remote work, some companies may target specific time zones and experience levels. Users can create personalized job alerts to be notified immediately when new positions matching their criteria become available. This feature is particularly helpful in staying ahead of the competition in the fast-paced remote job market. While Virtual Vocations offers some free services, the true value lies in its paid subscription. The subscription unlocks access to a wider range of features, including more advanced search filters, exclusive job listings not available to free users, and detailed company profiles. These profiles provide insights into company culture, remote work policies, and employee reviews, which can be invaluable during the job application process. Having this information at your fingertips can significantly streamline your job search and help you make informed decisions. Whether a seasoned remote worker or someone just starting to explore the world of telecommuting, Virtual Vocations can be a powerful tool in your job-seeking arsenal. While the subscription fee may seem like a hurdle, the time saved sifting through irrelevant job postings and the access to premium features can make it a worthwhile investment for those serious about finding a remote position. Remember to tailor your resume and cover letter to each specific job application and highlight your relevant skills and experience. The remote job market can be competitive, so putting your best foot forward is crucial. Ultimately, Virtual Vocations provides a focused and efficient platform for navigating the remote work landscape, increasing your chances of landing that dream work-from-home job.